Hi everyone, Greg here. Now today I'm going to be showing you a hack using my favorite noodles, the Singapore Laksa. Now if you've never had a Singapore Laksa, this is the brand to get. It tastes exactly like the real deal and it's absolutely awesome. So today I'm going to show you how to make this product and also how to jazz it up a little bit to pad it out, and hopefully you can feed 2 people for the price of 1. Anyway, let's start cooking. Now to all you health nuts out there, this laksa has no artificial flavorings, colorings or preservatives or any MSG, so it's really worth buying and it tastes so good. So I'm going to make it taste even better. So to make this, what we need to do is grab yourself a nice decent sized saucepan, get the flame happening, and next you'll need half a litre or 500 mils of water. It can be cold water. And we're going to be bringing it to the boil. So let's crack this open. Now inside here you'll find 2 packets. One is the Laksa premix and the other one is the Laksa paste. So I'll just grab some scissors and we'll squeeze this paste in. Ah, I cut myself! No, I didn't really. But this paste here, it tastes so good on its own. It's beautiful. Very fishy and it's quite spicy with chili. And next we'll add this, which is pretty much powdered coconut cream. We'll add that in. And we'll mix this and we'll bring it to the boil. Now once that's come to the boil, we grab the other ingredient, which is the dried noodles. These are La Mian noodles, which translated means ramen. And they come in a nice round shape here. So if you've got a square saucepan, it might not fit very well. So try and grab a round saucepan. Usually most saucepans are round. What we do is we just drop that in and we'll let that cook for 7 minutes. Oh, I can already smell it. It smells just like I'm in Singapore. Hey, wait a minute. I am in Singapore. And you also need to break the noodles up as you're cooking them. A good chopstick will do just fine, or you could use a fork or a stick from the garden. I don't care. Just try and break them up. It'll help them cook a lot better. Now some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using to pad this out are just some prawns, some scallops, and I've got some fish balls here. I'd like to see the size of the fish they came off. But something else I'm going to be adding in are some fried bean curds. Now normally if you do buy any laksa from a hawker centre or food court here, it usually comes with some bean curds in it and also some of the other ingredients. So I'll add those in. Now with about 2 minutes to go, so after 5 minutes of cooking, we'll start adding in these ingredients because they really don't take that long to cook. So let's firstly add some of these bean curds. I like to just get some scissors and cut them into little pieces. Now the bean curds will soak up a little of the sauce as well, which is great because the sauce is awesome. And now with just about 1 minute to go, we'll add our fresh ingredients. Uncooked scallops, uncooked prawns and the uncooked fish balls. We'll just throw those in. Now you can experiment with what you want to add in. I don't know, what would you be adding in? I know these are some of my favourite flavours. Then after a minute or 2, the 7 minutes is up and the laksa is ready to serve up. So let's transfer it into a bowl. And there you have it, some delicious Singapore laksa noodles all jazzed up and ready to go. Well, let's grab some chopsticks and the spoon and dive on in for the old taste test. Oh yeah, I love these things. Yeah, it's my favourite food. If only I could pick it up. Yeah, here we go. I got some. Bit of a prawn on top. May as well whack the bean curd on there too, why not? And I'll need a bit of this sauce too, because the sauce is the best. That is delicious. Well, I hope yours is delicious too. Those noodles are really great, and adding those few extra ingredients really boosts it up and turns it into something that goes to the next level. Remember to show this video some thumb and love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Time for some more noodles. Let's go.